sis, you need this wig. Sis.
Rain, make it, rain, girl, make it.
Welcome to my channel, yeah. My name is Hooja and my wig is fire. And I didn't do much.
I know y'all can't guess how much this wig was. I bet y'all can't guess. You just gonna have to watch the video to see how much it was. And I'ma just say, it's very affordable. And y'all gonna be like, Hooja, you just had to plug me like this? Why'd you have to do me like that, sis? That's what y'all gonna say. And I'm gonna be like, good. Like, I'm excited for y'all to have this wig. Like, I'm excited to be wearing this wig. Y'all gonna hate me, but it's okay. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about this wig, and I'm just gonna jump right into the video, so keep watching. So today we are just going to be reviewing this wig, and I got it from Ebony Line. It's one of the like big wigs sites that you can get like a whole bunch of wigs from, and they have like all types of brands like Janet Collection, Outre, stuff like that. So this is the Batik bundle hair, and it's in the style Peruvian, and it's in the color like DRB 30/1, and these are the directions. I'm just doing one of these numbers. So basically it just tells you how to take care of the hair. Since it's synthetic, like there's different rules when it comes to taking care of your hair. I didn't open it, I just unboxed it. This is exactly how it comes. Honestly, I get a lot of questions about like how it comes, like what am I doing to the wigs, this and that. So I'm just, this is not gonna be a long video because I don't know how I want to style it, but I'm pretty sure like there's different ways that you can style hair, you know. And I could show you guys a couple ways, or I could just show you one way. We'll see. This wig comes with 2 combs. So there's one large one in the back and then one in the front, like a full one. So quick weaves, some of them usually only have 2 combs. They don't have them like on the sides. And quick weaves aren't meant to, it's hard to explain. Actually, it's not hard to explain. Quick weaves don't come with the part. So, you know, if you want a middle part, you can't do that with this. Like, there's no option to. So, with a lot of quick weaves, I either like turn them into like a full bang, or I like attach it to my hair. Like, it just depends. I'm literally just gonna slap it on my head just to see like how the curls look. And it also comes with like adjustable straps, just so you know. So this is how it looks on my head. Yeah. Oh, kill him. So I'm gonna get this like as close as I can. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Yes, honey. Wow, this is so cute. Ooh, this is giving me like spring vibes, summer vibes. I'm finna go on vacation to Cabo vibes. All of that. So I literally just put it on. So you guys know, well, some of you guys don't know, I like to wear like my natural hair when it comes to like curly type of wigs, like in the front. Ooh, my forehead is so large. Help me, Jesus. My head is so big. Most times I like to wear my real hair in front and just kind of let it be wild. And I like the fact that my bangs are short. So for me, what I might do is take out some of these hairs over here and kind of just mix them in. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't even have to do that much. Crazy. But yeah, I can kind of like take out a couple hairs and just easily kind of blend it in with this hair. This is one way that you can wear this. And I like the fact that there's highlights in this. Well, not even highlights, but like it goes from like a dark root to like a soft kind of blonde. So this is one way that you could wear it, kind of like taking out your hair and just blending it in. Like, that's a good way to wear this. I need a comb. What kind of hair person doesn't have a comb in front of them? Like, I'm starting to think I'm a phony. This is a great way to wear the hair. I think I'm gonna get a spray bottle and spritz a little. My real hair, I haven't really touched it in a minute. Not touched it, but it's been in a bun. So this isn't really like curly hair right now. I'm actually going to take out more just so that I can kind of cover up that comb. I have like Eco Styler in my hair, so if you see like little specks of white, that is my gel cast. Don't judge me. And then my edges are like just out over here, so it honestly doesn't look like I did that much. This is crazy. This wig is popping, I tell you. Wow, I am living for this wig, y'all. Like, really living for it though. Like, this is something else. I honestly don't want to touch my real hair, and I like being a little wild child. Like, I like all my hair to one side, you know, like, ooh. But honestly, you could wear it in the middle part if you wanted to. Hopefully your hair texture kind of matches this. I know that's kind of iffy if your hair texture is a lot thicker, because mine is barely matching right now. If you had like 3-day braid out hair, this will go great with this wig. If you just kind of like smooth it out, only take out a little bit of your edges. I'm going to use some Eco Styler just to do my edges a little. This video won't even be long. I love long videos because I like to edit them. But I'm just going to use a little Eco Styler, not too much. I have this Shea Moisture Smooth and Tame Thermo Protect Milk. So hopefully this does a little something to literally tame my edges. I'm just gonna kind of like smooth that into my hair to kind of make it lay down. This isn't a lazy tutorial. It's just that with quick weaves, you don't really have to do too much. I could even do a middle part if I wanted to. I mean, my forehead kind of big right now, but I could do a braid out and have the hair in the middle as well. Oh, that's really cute, but we're gonna keep it on mute and put it over here. But you get the point. Y'all get the point. Hopefully y'all can like see the curl pattern. I have makeup in my hair. Terrible combination. But I didn't even tell you guys how much it was. I don't even think you guys can like guess how much it was. I guess I could tell y'all the price. Like, I guess I could tell y'all the price. So this wig was $14. So it was $13.94, but with tax, you know, that kind of bumps it up. But I got a bunch of wigs from Ebony Line, and I'm finna plug y'all because they had like a $5 like flat rate shipping. So this was just great. This is just love, honey. And honestly, like, I just threw it on. Literally, y'all saw me throw it on. Actually, I don't know if y'all saw me throw it on, but it took like 2 seconds. Like, I literally just did one of them and just pulled out some edges. Like, that's all you have to do. Quick weaves don't have to be so crazy, you know. Maybe in a future video, like, I can style it a different way, but this is how I would wear it. Just literally coming out of the box, take out both sides of your edges. See, this one ain't even done. But also get a color that matches your hair color if you were to do that. Sis, you need this wig. Sis, just feel good. Like, I could go to work in this, I could go to the store in this. Just wanted to show you guys what this looked like what? And for $14, like, this is the best deal I've seen in a while. Like, what you need this. You need this wig in your closet. It doesn't have to be this color. Available colors they have are in 1B, 2, 4, S1B/30. That's the one that I have. And then there's S4/30, DR2730, and then DRB30/1. I just lied to y'all. I do not have the S1B/30. I have the DRB30/1. And then there's also like a similar color to this, but it would have red tips. And that one is the DRB 425/1. See, I was gonna send y'all off and I did not mean to. But it says that it's safe up to 400 degrees. So I mean, like, if you want to straighten it, you can. If you want to curl it, you can. But I mean, synthetic wigs, like, once you do something to it, does not come back at all. So like, that's a little tip, okay? But yeah, this is the Peruvian. A lot of people buy this wig just because it's so affordable. It is easy to put on. You can do whatever style you want. Like, banging. Y'all just gonna have to come back for more if I switch it up, you feel me? Like, I'm thinking of a style right now. I'm thinking of a style. I think I'm just so excited because I didn't realize like how much I was gonna love this wig. And hair makes me happy, if you don't know by my expression. Y'all saw how my hair was looking. Like, it was in a bun, like, completely, and now I look like a whole new person. So thank you guys for watching this video. Y'all go see me doing one of these numbers. Like, if you see me on the street, that's what I'm gonna be doing with this wig. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I would love it if you guys like, comment, shared, and subscribe to this channel. I have so many new surprises. Like, I'm excited. Like, I can't tell y'all, but just know, like, stuff is coming. Great things are coming. And I hope you guys are, like, ready to come on this little journey with me, because I'm excited. But yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, my nose. Y'all almost saw me digging my nose. That's gonna have to be a blooper, baby. Bless me. Emoji.